Today we are testing an automatic feed rate for the electroarc drilling machine to DVQT. This is the feed rate or the feed motor. This is a control board for the feed motor, and this is the feed adjustment. This is a transformer which is delivering the 110 volt, because in Germany we are having 230 volt. This is a power supply to simulate a short circuit of the electrode with a piece. Okay, we now have we are turning the feed rate potentiometer, and the feed rate is adjustable to a maximum, and now we are simulating a short circuit of the electrode with a piece. For this purpose, the control board is measuring the voltage of the electrode with a table, and if we are reducing this voltage to 0, then a short cut is simulated, and it is seen here that the direction is turning on the other side, and the electrode is retracted if the voltage is here going to 0, which means a short circuit of the electrode. Okay, now the complete board and the motor is working properly, and that's all.